How to fix add post to your story missing Instagram. First, make sure your Instagram app is up to date. Open your App Store, search for Instagram, and update it if necessary. Check post privacy settings. Now open the Instagram app. At the bottom right corner of the screen, click on the Profile menu. Scroll down and you can see the posts that are in your account. If your post is in the From a Close Friend, you won't be able to share it with your story. If you still can't find the Add to Story feature, then follow the next step. Clear Instagram cache. For iPhone users, now open Settings app. Scroll down and tap on General, then tap on iPhone Storage. Find the Instagram app, tap on it open, then tap Offload app, and confirm by tapping Offload again. Reinstall the app. For Android users, go to your device's settings, then scroll down and select Apps, then select the Instagram app from the list. Now click on the Storage and tap on Clear Cache. Now go back and open the Instagram app and check for the Add to Story feature. If you still didn't get this feature, then follow the next step. Switch to a professional account. Now go back to the Instagram app and at the bottom right corner of the screen, click on the Profile menu. At the top right corner of the screen, click on the 3 horizontal lines, and then tap on the Settings and Privacy. Scroll down to the For Professionals section and tap on the Account Type and Tools. Now click on the Switch to Professional Account. Click on Continue. Choose the creator type that suits you and then tap on Done, tap on OK. Now choose the type of the professional account, either creator or business. Then click on Next. Now verify whether the Add to Story feature is enabled or not. If not, then reinstall the Instagram app. Tap and hold on the Instagram app, and then click on the Remove app. From the menu that appears, click on the Delete app. Once the app is deleted, go to the App Store or Play Store, and in the search bar, search for Instagram and reinstall the app. Then, open the Instagram app and try to check whether the Add to Story is available. And that's it.